These are my cheesy beef tostadas, and trust me, they are delicious under 10 minutes. The whole family will love them. Bring in the kids to help make these ones. These are fun. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to cooking. Behind me here, I have my griddle on high heat. I've got ground beef here, just some 80-20, or if you want to do lean ground beef, you certainly can. I already have my griddle pre-oiled. You notice I also have a pot already on my griddle, and all that is my cheese sauce. Once I have my meat here all chopped, I am going to add some pre-diced yellow onion. That is key because it really does take the prep work out of those busy weeknights. That looks just about right. I would say a 1/4 cup or so of that. I'm gonna add in my seasonings here. I just bought my favorite taco seasonings right on top. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water to that. Once that is all good to go, we're just gonna mix everything up. Allow for all those flavors to get nice and good and crispy and cooked all the way. Another, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes on the beef. My cheese is looking nice and melted, and we'll be back. I'm gonna put these tostadas down. I really just want them to get a little crispy. Make sure you put a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil down first, probably about a good 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once those are done, you're gonna pull them off along with that ground beef taco meat. And then don't forget about that cheese sauce that's been warming up along the way. So once you got everything off, this is the fun part. This is when you start your build. So I'm actually going to serve it on my cutting board just because it's easiest and presentation is really pretty on here as well. I call these cheesy for a reason, and that's because the first layer is going to be a cheese sauce. A yummy, yummy cheese sauce. Now this is just a canned cheese sauce. You can find this in your international aisle of your grocery store, or you can make your own if you would like. But if you're a busy mom like me, the can's the way to go. Next is gonna be your ground beef. You don't wanna pile it up too much, but honestly, whatever you want. It is your tostada at the end of the day. You want it to just kind of fan out to the sides a little bit. Look how quick that was. I just need 6 of them in a matter of, I don't know, what would you say, 30 seconds or so, if that. Now you can just kind of do what you want here as far as your toppings go. But you gotta put that shredded cheese. I'm just using a 4 Mexican cheese shred here. You can also do a shredded cheddar, or you can nix the shredded cheese since you already have the canned cheese sauce at the bottom. We're gonna finish it up with our veggies. Just some lettuce, some tomato, some green onion, and if you're like me, I like sour cream and some hot sauce on top, and it is that easy. It smells delicious. It looks delicious. We gotta try it out. I think I'm going to pick this one right here in the front. Oh my gosh. And it's not like soggy. It's still crispy and toasty. Okay, try not to get it everywhere. You can hear the crunch, right? You can hear that crunch. It's delicious. Honestly though, you gotta have the cheese sauce. This is so easy. It could not be easier than this. And when the kids come and they have their time to kind of build it, it really does make for a fun family weeknight meal. But trust me, you gotta do it under 10 minutes. You gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you gotta keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers.